How to fix Facebook comments problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook comments problem on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type here Facebook and click on it, and then just go to storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable storage here, and then go to data usage, check background data, don't forget this one here, just enable it. And that's it. Now just go back and restart your phone and try again, and that's it, your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.